Hello, welcome to Totally Random. So, here I have just a very cheap combo lock. Now, I've removed the back of it for the purposes of showing people who don't know what the gates look like or how a combination lock actually works. So, okay, this is the... where are we? This is the back of it. I'll show you the combo in a sec. But what you'll see in here, this lever. Now that's what's stopping the padlock. You can see it's half made, half of it's plastic. But this needs to fall into these three gates. It's a 3-digit. Well, three. So we've got the first gate, or disc. You can see scratch marks on it from where I was opening it before. And I suppose the idea of this is getting used to they feel when they set. That would be the third gate, and she's open. So the combination for that was to open, turn right 2 or more full turns, pardon me, and stop at 11. Turn left 1 turn past the above number and stop at 33. Turn right and stop at 7. To lock, push the shackle for automatic locking and erasing combination. So I'll show you that. So at the moment she's unlocked. As I push this down, just watch in here. Actually, let me do that again. It's just on the top one. I'm by no means an expert at this, just something I've thought of. I'm sure as I pull the shackle out, it's going to erase that. So, yeah, now it's all scrambled up. So, that's why you can just lock your lock back up. Actually, that looks like it's still, I've pulled it up, see now it's slightly out, so gate's in the way. Anyway, that's just the inner workings of a combination lock for you. If you watched, thank you. Totally Random, thank you for watching. Happy picking and playing with locks. Cheers.